Welcome! Today we're looking at how to interpret strategic planning reports for innovation research. As you navigate the report, the action bar becomes your central workspace for exploring insights in greater depth. Each tool is built to help you analyze findings from different angles depending on your research goals. Need a quick understanding of the discussion? The meeting chat functions like an AI research assistant, instantly summarizing conversations, surfacing key themes, and helping interpret nuanced consumer sentiment in real time. For teams focused on research transparency, the Properties panel provides a complete overview of how the report was generated. You can review the intelligence sources used, the audience segments included in the study, and the total respondent sample behind the findings. If you'd like to conduct your own analysis outside the platform, the transcript section gives you direct access to the raw participant responses. These transcripts can also be exported as structured datasets for additional modeling or reporting workflows. To continuously monitor changing consumer behavior, you can automate recurring research using the scheduling feature. This allows new reports to be generated automatically as fresh market signals and conversations emerge. The What This Means for You section helps translate research into action by identifying practical recommendations and strategic next steps based on the findings. The conclusion surfaces a single strategic call, the cohort's preferred direction across your positioning candidates, a clear consensus view on how consumers want your brand to show up. Click See Detailed Analysis to explore the consumer-grounded rationale, named themes, with paragraph-length supporting analysis backing every strategic recommendation. Read the 4 themes together. They form a coherent strategic argument, anchored in specific consumer reasoning about brand authenticity, positioning, subtlety, and loyalty preservation. Toggle between each AI twin to see their individual responses, how different consumer perspectives experience the positioning candidates, where they found conviction, where they hesitated. See the question-wise breakdown of each twin's responses. Trace how opinion evolves as positioning candidates are discussed, revealing which elements drive real conviction. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.